Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview 16-foot swimming pool with accessories. The swimming pool 16-foot helps you enjoy a great time with the whole family. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy frame swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. This above-ground pool super tough sidewalls made with 3-ply materials. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits: easy to assemble, no tools, ready for water 15 minutes. Walls: the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. The package include ground cloth, debris cover, ladder, sand filter pump, cooler, and 2 floats. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.